Google just dropped a brand new AI tool, and honestly, this could change everything. It's called Google Opal, and it lets you build apps without writing a single line of code. Just type in what you want, and boom, you've got an app in minutes. So what exactly is Google Opal? So think of Google Opal as like ChatGPT for apps. Instead of coding and putting the pieces together yourself, you just describe what you want. Opal will then use Google's AI models, including Gemini for text, Imagen for images, and Veo for video, and then stitches them together into a working mini app. So there's no coding, no hosting setup, and here's the kicker: it's free. One of the best demos I found with Google Opal was someone created a stock research tool with using Google Opal. So what they prompted inside Google Opal was, they prompted, I want to create an app where I can type in a company name and get the stock price, the financial data, and the investor tips. And within seconds, Opal built the whole thing. And then the user was able to type in, say, a company like Apple, for example, and it gave the ticker symbol, the current stock price, the market cap, and the latest earnings, and even a breakdown of the products and revenue that make up Apple. And that was all automated, live, and ready to share instantly within a link, which was amazing. Another cool example was someone created a YouTube thumbnail generator. So what you would do is that you would drop in a video link, and then Opal would generate clickable thumbnails using best practices to improve the click-through rate. And it would even let you swap between models like Imagen 2.5 Flash or Imagen 4 to change the creative style. So for creators, especially on YouTube, that is also a game changer as well. Now the really interesting part is how everything works behind the scenes. So instead of showing you scary lines and lines of code, what Opal does is that it uses something what we call a canvas. So basically this is like a flow chart of cards that show you the logic. So it shows you the input, the AI processing, and then the output. So what you're able to do is that you're able to drag and drop to add in cards, to add in new features, generate an image, or summarize the results. So it's visual, simple, and it's way less intimidating than just looking at raw code. This is really huge right now because until now, most no-code app builders were still really technical, expensive, or too slow. Google Opal right now is free, lightning fast, and deeply integrated into Google's AI ecosystem. So the sweet spot at the moment seems to be micro apps, small useful tools that you can share instantly. Not enterprise level apps yet, but for productivity hackers, research tools, and creative workflows, this could be massive for you guys. Now right now, a couple of caveats. The first one being is that Google Opal is only available to be tried out in the US at the moment and a select few other regions. And also the other thing that you need to keep in mind is that it's still in beta mode, so don't expect it to handle full enterprise scale apps just as yet. But for the everyday creator, student, or entrepreneur, Google Opal is crazy powerful at the moment, and I highly suggest you guys try it out. So now that Google has released their no-code AI app builder out onto the market, this is going to add more competition out in the market, and I think this is going to be a good thing as well. So guys, if you're interested in bringing an app idea to life and you need help doing so, I would invite you to click on the link below to book in a free call with me to discuss how I can personally help you bring your app idea to life in the shortest amount of time possible. The link is in the description below. Again, thank you for watching today's video. Smash the like button down below, and I'll see you in the next one.